Hello, we are on the next unit, which is construction. So construction, we need some basic geometric tools that is in front of you. So let me test you, see how many do you know. Okay, let me show you the picture first. So the first one on top, the one on the bottom left, the one in the middle, the one on the bottom right. Do you know their names? Let's take a guess. The first one, the one on the top, is the king, right? It's the ruler. In geometry, we have another name. It's called straight edge. On the geometry region exam, they are not going to say use the ruler to construct. They will say that use the straight edge to construct. So you need to know straight edge. What they mean is really something straight like your edge of the pencil, the edge of your book, and the ruler, anything that is straight that you can use. How about the one on the left? What is that? It is a protractor. I believe that you use it in middle school to measure the angle. We don't need to use it in high school, but you still need to know what's the name of this tool. It's geometric tool. It's called protractor, used to measure angles. How about the one in the middle? You are going to use it a lot, and I hope that you get one already, one similar for it. In class, we have it for you, or you can bring your own where you can feel more comfortable. What's the name of it? It's a compass. We use a compass to construct a lot of different shapes, a lot of things. So you see, for this unit, we're going to construct many things. We use it to construct circles. I believe most of you have never seen the last one, the one on the right side, the red one. It's a combination of compass and a ruler and also protractor. So it's actually three in one. When I first come to teach in UNHS, we use something on the right side, the red one, to do construction where it's much more safer but very hard to use it. If you want to see the actual things, I still have many, and come talk to me, and I will show you how is it look like. This is called the bullseye compass. How it named? Okay, like you see the one on the top, that's the eyes. That's called the bull's eyes, and it's really bold. Because it's everything inside the protractor, the compass, and the rulers in one thing. Now let's review what we learned previously about equilateral triangle. Equilateral, what's that mean? Every side are equal and every angles in that shape are equal. So triangle, three sides. So here's the properties. All sides of the triangles are equal. All inscribed angle means inside angle, the interior angle. Each of the interior angles are equal. That's what it means. And all these inscribed angles are equal to 60 degree. And we talked about it last time. Each of this angle are equal to 60 degree. And how we get that? Remember we said that x, right? X, and there are three of them, so it's 3x. And the sum of the interior angles equal to 180 degree. Okay, and the sum of the quadrilateral angles is 360 degree, so which is different. This is a triangle, so it's 180 degree, and you just solve it. You divide by 3 at both sides. X equal to 60. Where does those 60 come from? Today we're going to construct the equilateral for a line. So first you need to create a line. Sometimes the question give you a line, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they said that construct equilateral for the side is equal to 2 cm. Using a ruler to measure the line, which is 2 cm, and draw. So this is a line. And they said that construct an equilateral on this line. So first, take out your compass. First, we have to determine where is the end point of this line. You can create it, and I believe it is here and here. Most of the time on the region exam, they give it to you. If not, then you have to create it. They will give you a alignment. Like how long is it? Like 2 inch or 1 cm, like something like that. So first, put the compass, the needle. Okay, maybe yours looks like this, right? Put the needle on one end point and open up the pencil side to another end point, like this. And then you're going to draw a little curve. Okay, that's how you draw it. Okay. At the beginning, it's very hard. First 3 times, they cannot even draw a circle, right? So I would say that maybe practice using it, play around with it, create a circle. Okay, but here you don't need to make this big, but I would like you to practice it. Actually, like this big is good enough already. So next one, you switch. The needle goes on the other endpoint. The pencil goes on our original endpoint. You can pause it anytime and repeat it. And then you do another curve. As long as they intercept, you see those two curves intercept at one point. Maybe I'm moving away so you can see better. Do you see those two curves intercept at the blue point here? And now we're going to connect something to make it equilateral triangle. So we're using a line, a straight edge, means using your ruler. If you do not have a ruler next to you, something straight. Okay, I believe your phone is straight. You can use it. The edge of your phone is fine. Maybe you have a book next to you, or you will have a pencil. Anything that's straight. You just connect it and connect it. That's it. Remember, do not erase the construction mark. Just leave it like this. And people say that, Miss, it looks dirty. But that is what they want to see. Do not erase it. They want to see how you're using the compass to construct the equilateral triangle. Now, please close your eyes and think about what are the steps for constructing the equilateral triangle that you just did. Okay, pause it and think about it. What step one, step two, step three, and step four. Okay, so now I'm giving you the answer. You're very welcome to take a picture or write it down somewhere. First step is determine where is the point on the line. If they don't have a line for you, you are going to create your own line. Step two, draw an arc by using the compass and place one end in one end point and the pencil in one end point, and then you draw the arc. And then you switch around, step three. Same thing, the needle goes on one end point, the pencil goes on the other end point, and draw the arc. Step four, as long as you see the intersection, you can stop your circle. And the last step, you're connecting those 3 points, the intersection point and the two end point on the line. That's it. Okay, so continue to practice. Have a nice day. See you next time.